Hello gardening friend, today I'm going to be planting this clove of garlic that is left over from last year's planting. You can see here it's starting to sprout out a little bit, it's ready to grow. We're going to go ahead and plant this in our square foot bed that I had daikon radishes in it over the winter. So let's get over to the square foot garden and get this planted. So like I said, I had some daikons in here. One of those didn't come out very well. See if I can get the rest of it out here. Oh, it's just a little tiny root on the bottom. Thought it might have been more than that. All right, so I have some compost from my worm pit. I'm gonna go ahead and dig that in. Got a lot of worms in there. Ooh, awful lot of worms. Let's just go ahead and dig this in a little bit. That's gonna add a lot of nutrition to the bed here. Usually I plant garlic in the fall so that the roots have time to grow. They'll grow all through the winter here in this climate, but they can be planted in the springtime as well. Just might not get as much of a harvest, or the bulbs might not be as big, but we'll still get a harvest. Oh, that's making the soil look really nice. There's tons of worms in there from the vermicomposting as well. So that should be good. Right, let's try and mix this up a little more. That's looking awesome. You can see the onions here too that I planted. So it's about time to start harvesting those, because I planted them close together so I could harvest them and thin them as they grew. So pull the big ones out now and let the other ones get big, and let them get bigger even. All right, so I got that all firmed down pretty good. Tried to put some soil into the corners so it wouldn't sink down more there. I'm gonna go ahead and put 9 garlic cloves in here. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, before I do that, I did bring some coffee grounds to put on here. I got these from Starbucks before the COVID started, because after the COVID started, they stopped giving out their coffee grounds because they said human hands have touched them. They didn't want to give them out anymore. Those coffee grounds have been in there for a long time. It's got some worms in there too. I'm just going to put those right on top of the soil. Not only will it give the soil a little bit of nutrition, but it might help keep some bugs away. Not that garlic is overly plagued by bugs, but it won't hurt anything. Anyways, probably put some straw over top of this too to keep everything nice and moist. All right, now where did that clove go? Here we go. Here's the clove. So we're gonna pull it apart and see if we have 9 cloves in here. These are nice big ones. There's 1, 2, 3. This one has the top growing on it. You can see how it was growing here with the roots down. That's how you want to plant it, with the roots down. Otherwise, it would probably do some weird things. There's a big 4 and a little tiny one, which we can use if we need to, but we might not want to. 5, 6, 7. That's a nice clove. You can see it starting to sprout out there too. 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there we got 9 good sized bulbs. This one might be a little bit bigger. So I'm just going to go ahead and put them down with the root side down. Sort of poke them into the soil and have about an inch below the top of the bulb. These things will be popping through pretty quick. Just about put that one the wrong way. Put the big one here in the middle. Already has the top coming through. Right, so I got 3 I can take in the house and use. As you can see, it really is pretty easy to plant garlic. From that one bulb, I'm gonna have 9 new bulbs, so you can see how it really multiplies, and you get a lot more garlic out of one little clove. I'll go ahead and put a link up here to my garlic playlist, and over here I'll put a link to a video that Google says you will like. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, click the like. That really helps my channel. Thanks for watching. See you again real soon.